Hello everyone and welcome to Chacko's World. It's me, Chacko. Today we are going to unbox the all-new, budget-friendly ELGATO Stream Deck, a handy tool for streamers, gamers and YouTubers looking for an ultimate control over whatever they are doing. So first of all, let's get into the unboxing. Everyone, this is the ELGATO Stream Deck. You can fully customize it as it is with a click, and yes, this is a downloaded app. You can download it in both Mac and Windows, and as you see in the right panel we have effects, and you can drag it onto the left panel, which is just a basic grid, a template of how the Stream Deck operates, and you can fully customize this and choose a text font or anything you really want and just drag it over and just drop it. For example, this is multimedia, so here I can select a YouTube's logo, for example, and then it'll be shown on the actual Stream Deck. And if you connect the USB cable over to a computer, you can actually see the digital version of it in the app. Pretty functional. Okay, so this is the all-new ELGATO Stream Deck, and quick recap, in the box there was the ELGATO Stream Deck with a USB Type-2 interface and a warranty card and an adjustable stand, all provided by ELGATO in the box. Stream Deck integrates with your tools and automatically you can send messages, mute calls, even call someone or start your stream, off your stream, all with just one tap of a click. Another bonus is there is a 1-year manufacturer warranty with Mac and Windows compatible, so you can use it in Mac OS or Windows OS, and also the stand is fully adjustable to your needs, so you can place your ELGATO Stream Deck however you want, and you can customize that as well. The weight of this device is only 190 grams, which is very lightweight, and you can easily carry it. It's very portable, and you can easily carry it wherever you go, and you can stream on the spot. So the app that I previously mentioned, that was the ELGATO Stream Deck app, and you can almost control any ELGATO devices with that one free app. And with this one, as I said, just drag and drop, very easy to use, very easy setup. And plus, with this app, you can do other things, like probably, stop recording, start recording, all that good stuff. So with the app, you can do all that in-game stuff, all the in-game controls, if you want to say, you can do that. And then, plus, the app is very easy to install. It is in the quick start guide, and you can install it on Mac or Windows and quickly, easily customize your Stream Deck experience. Overall, if you're looking to buy a budget-friendly, a very, very customizable and very luxurious Stream Deck, well, you're looking for the right one, the ELGATO Stream Deck. That is the best perfect fit for you. And the pricing, all that stuff will be mentioned in the description below. From first impressions, this product looks exceptional, and I'll use it and I'll give you a further detailed review very soon. Easy chat messages, stream highlights, adding markers, soundboard to accent moments of your particular video or stream, and changing scenes in terms of transitions, quick, fast, cut and splice editing, and all at the press of a button. Turning on and off your Stream Deck, operating your key lights, starting and ending a stream, and even voice recording for a stream, or even giving a mic input or output. All of this is done with a single button. And that is the power of the small yet useful ELGATO Stream Deck. Thank you so much for watching my video today. I hope you like it, and stay tuned for the next one. Don't go just now because there's something more exciting coming at the end of the video, so stay tuned for that and stay tuned for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.